Okay, boys and girls, look at number 1 at the bottom of the page. Malta has 5 fish stickles and 2 flamingo stickles. Which group of stickles is less in number than the other group? How can you use cubes to find the answer? So it has given us cubes. How can we create cube trains for each group and color the number of cubes to show the number of stickles? How many fish stickles do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we can use our blue crayon and we can color 5 cubes. And I'm just going to color them a little bit because if I color them all of the way, you're not going to be able to see each individual cube. You guys can do such a better job with your crayon than I can do with my mouse. So we have 5 cubes colored blue. If you need to pause the video to color your cubes at any time during these pages, go ahead and do so. You can always start it back up and pick right back up with me. Now, our flamingos are pink. So, I don't know. Yes, I do have pink. Look at this. So, pick up your pink crayon. And how many flamingos do we have? 1, 2. So, we're going to color 2 of our cubes pink. Which one has less? Do we have less blue fish or do we have less pink flamingo stickles? We have less pink flamingo stickles, so we're going to put an X on our flamingo stickle cube train because we have less of those. Okay, let's go to the next page. To begin with, I have to erase this, otherwise it'll just carry over and look all funny on our next page. Let's look at these problems. Let's look up here at number 2. I'm circling the number so you could see which one we're on. Let's look at number 2. Carlos has 4 yellow blocks and 5 blue blocks. Which group of blocks is greater in number than the other group? How can you use a drawing to show your answer? So you're going to make a drawing out here to figure out which group is greater in number than the other group. So pick up your yellow crayon. And we have 1, 2, 3, 4 yellow cubes. So I'm going to draw me a cube train right here. I'm going to draw 4 yellow cubes in my cube train. And I have blue blocks now, so I got to get my blue out here. And we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 blue blocks. So right under the yellow cube train, so I can compare them, I'm going to draw a cube train that has 5 blue blocks. And I'm going to try to keep my blocks about the same size as the yellow ones. That way I can compare them. So look at this, my 2 cube trains up here. Can you look at your mom or dad and explain which one is greater in number and why you think so? Go ahead and pause the video and do that. Now, I'm going to help you with your explanation in case you needed help. I see my yellow cube train and I see my blue cube train. And I notice my blue cube train is longer than my yellow one because it has more blocks. Since it has more cubes, and it's longer, it is greater in number. So I'm going to circle my blue cube train because it is the greater in number one. Look at number 3 down here. Carlos has 4 red blocks and 3 blue blocks. Which group of blocks is less in number than the other group? How can you use numbers to show your answer? So we're looking for the less than. So how many red blocks do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4 red blocks. So in this space right beside the red, we're going to write the number 4. It's a short line down, short line across, pick our pencil up, big line from the ceiling to the floor. That is how we write the number 4. How many blue blocks do we have? We have 3. Around the tree and around the tree. That is how we write a 3. Now look at our two numbers. Do you know which number is less? Which number is smaller? It's the 3. The 3 is smaller, so we're going to put an X on the 3 because it is the smallest number. Okay, now this next page, I'm going to tell you what to do on each problem, and you're going to try to do it by yourself. Okay? For number 4, it's all the same problem. For number 4, we're going to look, and Malta has 2 stickers. So we're going to go ahead and draw 2 stickers for Malta. I'll help you with that. 1, 2. Malta has 2 stickers. Emily has a greater number of stickers than Malta. How many stickers could Emily possibly have? Think about it. Now this isn't one you're going to draw yet. You're just going to think about it. What do you know about the problem? Can Emily have 1 sticker? Go ahead and draw 1 sticker for Emily. This is number 4. Draw 1 sticker. Now if Emily has a greater number, a bigger number than Malta, can it be 1? No, because that's a smaller number, isn't it? Can Emily have 2? No, Emily couldn't have 2 because that would be the same number. It would be equal to. Could Emily have 3? Yes, Emily could have 3. Could Emily have 4? Yes, she could have 4. Emily could have any number bigger than 2 because that would mean it was greater than 2. Very good job today, everyone. I cannot wait to see you back in the classroom next week. I'm so excited for you to be back with me. I hope you have a great rest of your day.